Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. On our third day in Langkawi, we are going to the famous island hopping day tour in Langkawi. This is one of the must visit tour in Langkawi. In my last vlog, I showed you how to book this package directly from the locals. So if you did not watch that video, kindly do watch it and let's begin this beautiful vlog. The island hopping tour is around 3 to 4 hours long, taking us around 3 main islands around the south of Langkawi. This is the shared tour and this is our driver and this is our van. This is our van. Rane, are you excited? Guys, now we are going for island hopping. Right over there is Resort World Langkawi. That was our hotel. And from here they are taking us to the island hopping tour. Come. The first island which we visited was Pulau Dayang Bunting Island, which translates to the island of pregnant lady. This is extremely interesting because when you look at these mountains from the viewpoint, you will feel clearly and see a sleeping pregnant lady. And this is her face, this is her breast, this is her tummy, and that's the knee. Huh?
As if you see her sleeping.
As if she's sleeping, okay. In reality, the tummy looks so big, but in camera, it's looking as if it's small. We were given an hour and a half to spend on this beautiful island. Make sure to remember the boat number and the face of your driver so that it's easy for you to get back on the boat while coming back. The main attraction on this island is the freshwater lake, which is called Tasik Dayang Bunting. But before reaching here, you will have to do a small trek through the forest, which is tiring and beautiful too. Make sure to wear good shoes and do not let your kids run away as there are scorpions and other poisonous animals. And we started around 9:15. As I showed you, our hotel was very near from the pickup point. And now this is the first island where they dropped us. So that was our boat 788. Our first stop and the first island is this Dayang Geoforest Island. So over here we have got time 1 hour and 15 minutes. So right now the time is 9:53 and they told us come back by 11. So by 11 we'll have to go back at this point from where we'll take our boat. And now we are going over here. They said there are many activities like if you want to do kayak, you want to do swimming and all that, we can just do over here. So let's go to this section. Ghanem, on that tree there is coconut. See? See on that tree, small coconut. Make sure to carry Malaysian currency. You can even rent kayak boats for which you will have to pay extra. We did not do kayaking here in the lake because we were with 3 kids. Many people were swimming here too, so if you want to swim, make sure to carry extra clothes. Over here there is the largest freshwater lake. Let's see if we can go and swim over there. But mashallah, the view is amazing. We are completely in the forest on this beautiful island. And even the air is blowing. It's so cold and pleasant and fresh. And try to avoid bringing any type of fruits or food over here because there are many monkeys and they will be behind you then. This is the duty of father. Carry the bag, this much big backpack in which their towel is there, clothes are there. And after that, carry Hamdan. Okay. There is Hamdan like baby. After walking for 10 to 15 minutes, it is a trek from up to down. We have reached at this lake area. So here you can do many activities like kayaking and even you can swim in this water. And they have given a short boundary over there as well. So that's it, nothing much you can do over here. So guys, we have finished the time at the lake. So lake was down over there. Now by 11, we have to reach our boat. So we have to climb again all this thing. Ghanem, you're ready? Amina, ready? After 1 hour 30 minutes approximately, we moved towards the second island, which is called Pulau Singa Besar, to see the eagles feeding session. It was an incredible sight for the kids to again see eagles flying into the water to grab their food. Oh, they're coming. Oh, subhanallah, so many eagles. See how many eagles? The sky is filled with eagles. Guys, over here they stopped, and over here we can see the Langkawi eagles. The Langkawi eagles are reddish brown, and this is the spot where they are. So they are flying right above us. So basically, Langkawi itself means reddish brown eagle. Not all the boats are giving chicken to the eagle, because they say that at 2 o'clock they again have another tour, and then eagles won't come to eat. So only limited that boat and that boat are giving chicken, and we just have to wait and see when those eagles drop from the sky. After the eagle session, we were on to the third and final island. The name of this island is Pulau Beras Basah, famously known for its white sandy beach and crystal blue waters.
From here, you can play banana boat, sofa pool, snorkeling, swimming. If you want to buy something, they have many shops.
So guys, this is the second island, and here also we have 1 hour to enjoy. And walking on this thing is like scary. It's moving left and right, and it's not that stable. Guys, this is the second island where we came. Over here we got 1 hour stop, and this is how it looks. So basically there is a beach over here, but right now the tides are very fast. You know, it's very wavy, so we are not going to swim right now. The kids are playing over there in the sand. So you can come to this island and they'll stop the boat for 1 hour. So you can basically swim over here. And then that's it. The island is very small. So you got some cafe, small restaurants over here. And then if you want to rest, these are some colorful houses which you can rent and stay inside them. But it's so hot and humid that I don't think so it's worth taking them. Over there, toilets are there. And then at the back, it's like jungle again. So one sad incident happened, like there was a couple, basically old couple, they were from Iraq, and they went to that previous island, the first island where we got down. So as I told you, there are monkeys over there, and some monkeys do get aggressive. So don't take much fruits or anything with you, or something, you know, which has good smell. So they just come to on your bag. So I think they had some food or something in their bag, and they did not want to give it to the monkeys. So the monkey just came and, you know, attacked the guy. So the guy got scared and he pushed off the monkey and he fell and his legs started bleeding. Poor guy. So like this things does happen. So make sure you be careful about it. And that's it about this island. So now the time is 12:49 and 11:49, and at 12:30 we'll leave. And this white thing is pseudo cream, because I was getting so much sunburn, and also I put this thing over here because many people will be asking what did I put. It's better to carry sunscreen, which we have for the kids. Done from this island, and I think we are going back to our hotel now. So they will drop us at the main jetty and we'll go to hotel. Did you feel? You made a sand castle. So guys, we stay in Resort World Langkawi. That is Resort World Langkawi there. And here is the jet. So guys, our island hopping tour comes to an end, and right now the time is 1 o'clock, and we are going to Seneng Mall again, that side, to have our lunch, and then we'll just go to resort and enjoy over there. Guys, right next to Cheneng Mall, there is this duty-free shop. I will show you also from outside, where you can get everything at a very good price. You can take water, chocolate, especially there are so many variety of chocolates over here, which you can buy. It's like a shopping mall only, but it's at a very good rate. Let me show you what chocolates are available here. So if you want to get your craving for chocolate done, just come here. So see the Cadbury chocolate only for 10 Malaysian ringgit, which is 180 gram, this big ones.